Hello everyone, I'm Nil Roy from the team Brilliant Minds, and this is our demo video for our web app as well as our Flutter app Raksha. So to use our to use this dashboard, first of all you need to download our app. You can just go over here and just click on this download button. Make sure while installing you follow all these steps. So when you click on this download button, it will download this app over here. After that, you need to register over here. So you can just click on this register yourself, create an account, and if you already have an account you can just sign in using your credentials and just click on the access dashboards. So it will show your dashboard up here. Now the first thing is you need to first sign in into your app, and after that it will show all the SMS that has been recently intercepted by the app, as well as it will show the AI explanations. So let me give you a demo. So let's say I have written a sample SMS, and now if I restart, it is showing up here. It will take some time, and it has shown up here, as you can see the time. So if I just click on it, and if I click on this learn how the scam works, it will give an AI explanation using the DeepSeek model through the AWS Bedrock, and you can just see up here. Similarly, up here in the app also, you can just check. See, we also have a dedicated reporter thread where if you want to report something about a threat or a cyber attack, you can just report it up here. You can also record using this record button, and like this it will ask for your permissions, and just say whatever you want up here and just stop it. It will record it over here. You can just write it out and then click on the submit button. We also have a digital literacy module up here where you can perform your daily modules if you want, and you can also practice in the app the quick practice where it will generate a cyber attack scenario or simulation, and once it will be showing all the options. So if you just click on the correct button, so if you click on the correct button, it will give you the XP and it will show up here. So yeah, you also have this report similarly up like here, and the guardian button where you can add your contacts like this. So yeah, this is all about our solution that we have developed for the users who are not have a sound background for in the field of cyber attacks, and to protect them as well as their data from scams and social engineering attacks. So yeah, thank you.